Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a classic tale that I bet you've heard before, but we're going to look at it in a whole new light. It's the story of the hare and the tortoise, and trust me, it's packed with lessons that are more relevant today than ever. So picture this, we have our hare, super fast, super sleek, and honestly, a little bit arrogant. Every single day he'd see the tortoise moving along at his own pace and couldn't resist making a joke. "Hey, slowpoke. Will you ever get anywhere?" The tortoise, usually pretty chill, finally got tired of it. One day, he looked the hare straight in the eye and said, "You think you're so fast? Let's race." The hare burst out laughing. A race? Him? The fastest creature around? Against the slowest? It was ridiculous. But he was so sure of himself, he said, "You're on. Let's do it." The whole forest gathered to watch. The race started, and whoosh. The hare was a blur, a streak of lightning disappearing over the hill. He was so far ahead in just a few seconds, he could barely even see the tortoise anymore. He got closer and closer to the finish line and thought, "This is too easy. I've got so much time. I might as well just relax for a bit." So he found a nice shady spot right near the end of the race, lay down, and promptly fell fast asleep, dreaming of his victory. Meanwhile, back on the track, the tortoise was just doing his thing. He wasn't breaking any speed records, that's for sure. It was just one steady step after another. He didn't stop. He didn't get discouraged. He just kept his eyes on the path and kept moving forward. Slowly but surely he trudged past the trees, over the hills, and then he saw something. It was the hare sleeping peacefully just a few feet from the finish line. The tortoise didn't gloat, he didn't even pause. He just kept his steady pace, step by step, and quietly crossed the finish line. A huge cheer erupted from the crowd, which finally woke up the hare. He bolted upright, saw the tortoise at the winner's post, and couldn't believe his eyes. He had lost. It's so easy to laugh at the hare, but how often are we a little bit like him? We get a great start on a project, a goal, or a new habit, and because it feels easy at first, we get complacent. We think we can just coast. But this story reminds us that talent and speed aren't enough. It's the consistency, the steady effort that truly leads to success. Slow and steady wins the race isn't just a cliche, it's a powerful truth. It's about showing up every day, especially when you don't feel like it. So, what's your race right now? Whatever it is, remember the tortoise. Just keep taking that next step. You'll be amazed at how far you can go. Thanks so much for watching today. If this story resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content that helps us all live a little better. Let me know in the comments what your biggest takeaway was. Until next time, keep moving forward.